Here's a quick demo of how to install the Integrity drain plug. These hole saws are fantastic for it. They got a little bit of a lip here, so when you push it through the metal that it stops and it won't hit your heat trace or anything. So I'll just quickly show you. So that's how easily you're through the jacket. You can just push that to the side. Then you have your drain plug. Comes with instructions. There's a little QR code here for installation video. So you'd core out the insulation with this coring end here. So there's your insulation. You break this off to whatever thickness of insulation. So I'll just demo it. So you break it like that. The grommet just goes in this hole like this. And then you push your drain plug in. And they're installed just like that.